But J-Dog, all type QB, yeah. Industry Media UK, live from the booth. I'm pushing out O's by the stone. Big bag of Jimmy's, them a dinging off my phone. The ears and my shots are the biggest. Ever since the competition fucked up the zone, but the competition knows, man, I'm rolling with a strap. Load it up and blow it in his back. If he ever tries a ting, I'll be there to counteract. Yeah, I'm coming from a city where the gritty niggas trap. So I'm rolling with food like every day. Put it on the road so when niggas getting paid. Every week, man, I getting rich. Nah, I don't give a fuck, cause I'm busting case. And every day I change up the trap spot. Niggas that slip get smacked up. Nowadays, man, I'm moving like a boss. That's why the feds wanna fling me in the handcuffs. But I don't give a fuck, cause I gotta eat. Coming like a mouse, yeah, I want the block of cheese. I'm a boss, but I still shot one of each. Cause the Jimmy's got me living like a fucking beast. As a youth, nigga, this shit was all a dream. Now I'm really on the street with the loaded heat. Frankie, that's all I need close to me. If you're stepping out of line, then it shows his teeth. I'm about to take off in this rap thing. Start shooting up the booth like a hunting. Niggas know me, I ain't ramping. I do it all on my own, fuck a gang team. Bouncing off the wall when my mixtape drops most hot, but me, I'm on badder things. Coming like Benny when I boom. Yo, I just leave out the bada bing. But anyway, back to the crack. So solid you should hear when it snaps. The fiend said it melts down well. So good, man, keep coming back and he's eager for B, so I feed him with raps. For the queen, I be feeding the trap. Face so big, dog, he's gotta lean back, cause it's peak on the streets and police want bags. Cause nowadays, dog is on bagging grams. Get the money in and wrap it up with rubber bands. You better know, say my brothers bang, always looking out for mans, hopping out the back of vans. Blue and yellow stripes, they got pedal bikes. When I'm in the whip, I'm looking for the T5. I was raised around the free side, so of course I got taught how the motherfucking G's ride. I got taught how to rap my rocks, and got told no matter how cheeky, never slap my shots, cause they fat my pox. And of course it's the reason why I got a knife in my sock. My family tried to knock me for hustling, rather see me on the roadside broke struggling. Fuck that, peeps wanna stop me, come try, I ain't Jensen. Don't try and push my button, kid.
Industry Media UK.com.